All right, today is August 18th, 2026. Market opens up in about 43 minutes, I think, something like that. All right, so yesterday I was feeding for short very badly. We had nothing but short power. We used to have sell, sell, sell. All right, buys that came kind of high, that failed, buy and a sell breakthrough. With an absorption, I didn't seem to work out. Another sell here. So I did try a couple of shorts. First one lost, I think. Second one break even. I think I took four of them. Let's see. My pictures, screenshots. Yeah, there you go. All right, so yeah, I took four. All right. First one's here. Got stopped out. This is how big you're gonna make it. Okay, embarrassing. Doesn't become bigger than that. Why is it? Why is it doing this part? Okay. Anyways, do this then. All right. So the first one was around 949. All right. We had that buy. I thought that buy was gonna fail because we went into this area here. All right. Um, took a short down here. Price reverse. Got stopped out. All right. Bow. It was three of them. And then after that, that's the first one. Second one here. Took a short here. That one felt better. All right. Same area. All right. We're holding below this structure. This one here, this absorption. We're holding inside of it or below it. Broke below it. All right. So it felt good. After we broke out, came back. Bow. Fucking stopped me out. Right. All right. Whatever. Um. Third trade. So that was sell. That was a short. That was a loss. Break even. Another loss here. Took it again here. We had this absorption. This buying here. Came back up to this area here. Sold. All right. I say bet. Stop loss was right about here. Price drop. Came back out. I said, nah, this is not working out. Exit the trade. That's the fourth trade. All right. Third trade. So 11:04. That one ended. So an hour apart. About 40 30 minutes apart, right? So now we got our last trade. Last trade comes in a little later. All right. Saw this buy again into that level, selling off. Price starts to go. I'm a little heavier with it. I think I'm 10 in. Price really gave me what I wanted, but then it stopped, and I said, okay, fuck it. We're getting close to this happening. It's not going good. We're very close. I had already had my area near break even. Really was aiming to just to get to here, but we hit this here, which is the gap for the 50. All right, so we hit that gap, bow, and we're finally bouncing. Also, this one had an 89 level here, but this one didn't have an 89 level. Like price went down to 89, 7789 on the micro, but not in the mini. So with that, I was waiting for this to hit 89. It eventually did. Started bouncing out, and I said, okay, I'm not gonna risk this more than I should. Took the chart off because this was happening all last week, where price go my favorite return, favorite return, favorite return. Right? I'll be able to get back, break even, and make some money, or at least finish off good, and then I end up with a loss. So I said, fuck it, we're gonna just exit out here. I was up like three something and call it a day here. Bow. All right. 11:43. Lo and behold, after my exit, price comes out one more fucking time after the London session closes and fucking sells off. Right. Give me what the fuck I wanted. Bow. And goes even further out. Look at this shit. All right. So I was feeding for a fucking short, or I was looking for that an aggressive short, hopefully getting down to here, but I would have been happy here, right? And then just tracking it. but I didn't get none of that shit. Shit just fucked me up. Really pissed me off. But nothing I could have done about it because, you know, that was a nice little level up here, 7,800. We never really got back to that area. All right, I think this is as high as right there, right? So we never got beyond that area. My stop loss would have been beyond it. Bow and fucking sold off, right? So, but nothing I could do about it. I couldn't really force the trade. Got it for the 20. All right, this is that level here. Kind of stayed in that range. My trade was one more time, kiss and drop. Would not have entered here nonetheless, is because this is just a weird area to enter at, right? But price sold off. All right, so as that, I'm gonna set up today's chart. We're gonna go to the 30 and do some cleaning, and then where is the freaking clock? Oh man. Oh, that's that. Clock is fucked up because. All right, I'll restart the computer. Anyways, all right, I'll restart the computer. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna clear all of this out from the day perspective first. All right, fucking sold off, and then now we're selling off even more. Right, we're gapping down. Right. And I was looking for a short because of VIX being at such a low level, and Q not going as high as ES, and it's holding back, right? So all of that made sense. Let's zoom out. We're gonna just delete everything here and start fresh. Maybe we have some better levels now. I think we're starting to get better levels. It's just that price just was not moving at all. Hopefully I delete last week's low. Go to the week real quickly. All right, so last week's low is still there. Okay, back to the 30. All right, so just deleting all of this here. Oh crap. All right, thought there was another one there. All right, getting rid of all that. Drag this over. I'll leave that like that. I'll try that over, right? Okay. I don't know what the low is going to be yet. And we're going to have a different settlement price. Okay. All right, let's settlement price. Kind of kissed it. So we're going to look for some things over here. All right. Bet. Now let's go through it. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. $15, 5. Alright, we're done with that. Nice good consolidation here. We're looking to that area, and then this is that low and high, right? So let's go to here. Alright, so it's 75 first. No sale. Doesn't give me much to work with. 50. Oh shit, another fucking gap. 50 really giving me some goddamn work to work with. Alright, so 50 gap is gone. Alright. Another damn gap. Maybe we'll move up this time. Hopefully during the damn market open. Not after the market. I mean, yeah, during the market open, not while I'm trading, not after. Alright, so we got some space to move. Alright. Might have something right here. I'm gonna grab like that. So this is gonna be my high level. Alright. Let's look back at that area that I circled. 20. Alright. Cross it like that. I'll come back to it. Let's go to the line chart. Alright, 75. Alright. 50. Alright, so I'm gonna mark in that area. From this perspective. Scenario where price sold off at, and this is the area where I was trading yesterday, trying to get something out of it. Alright. And the price just left it, so maybe we'll get back to it, right? Maybe we'll bow, right? Possible. Alright, and pretty much done. I'm just gonna mark this. Oh wow, see nothing here. So we'll keep an eye on that area. Alright, we're gonna go to NQ. Okay. The week, day, 4 hour. Okay, I like that. Let's go to 150 here. Bam, down, bam, down. Bam, down, bam, down, bam, bam. Okay, I like that. Alright, we're pretty much done with that one. Alright, we're gonna go to VIX, and then I'm gonna restart the computer. What's with 30 with VIX? Okay, just about to shut that down. Alright. Alright, close that out. Okay. Let's go to the 2-tick chart. We're gonna grab it like this. Alright, it's crazy. I think this shit went up a little higher, didn't it? It's at 6 to 1. Yeah, see, yeah, it went up. Or maybe it was 6 to 1. Yeah. Alright. Oh, we got this little thing right here. Whatever that is. Okay. Alright, we're done. That's it for me. Charts are set. News wise, I don't think we have any news. No. Oh, we do have 8:30, 9:15, and 10 o'clock. So let's see if anything happened. Alright, 8:30. Alright, so I'm gonna add the news. 8:30, 9:15, and 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock one. I'm gonna add. Boom. Add it. And then 9:15 one should be coming out soon. So we're gonna see what that looks like. I'll take this one. 15. Going on 15. All right. Bow. Bam. Bow. Bow. All right. That's it. All right. I'm gonna read this computer reset. Other than that, I'm